Oh hey, didn't see you there. I guess you wonder what I am, huh? I'm the Galicus Atlanticus, also known as the blue sea slug, but for today's purposes, you can call me the blue sea dragon. For those who aren't familiar with me, here's a photo of me. Check it out.
This is a Galicus Atlanticus. They can grow up to 3 centimeters long and weigh between 3 and 100 grams. Their heads are blunt with tentacles near their mouths. Galicus Atlanticus have 3 to 4 clusters of papillae off the sides of their bodies. Within all the clusters, there can be up to 84 individual papillae. At the end of their fingers, also called serrata, are cynosacs, which are used for their defense. Cynosacs produce a poisonous sting that can harm predators or even humans if they are touched. They are more poisonous than Portuguese man-o-war and can produce a sting that feels like hot knives on a person's body.
I am from the species of a small blue sea slug, and also a member of the paleo-alloy newbie branch. I am a shellless gastropod mollusk in the family Galicide. I bet you're wondering why we are at the beach. Well, it's because I can commonly be found in the Pacific and Indian Ocean because I prefer tropical waters. This map depicts where sea dragons are commonly found.
Little background information on the Galicus Atlanticus kingdom, phylum, class, order, and family. From the kingdom Animalia, they are from the class Gastropodia, the order Nubibranchia, the family Genocide, genus Galicus, and species is Galicus Atlanticus. They are bilaterally symmetrical animals, and they are closely related to the clams, snails, squids, and other relatives. This is a food pyramid just to show how the Galicus Atlanticus consumes jellyfish, the jellyfish consume small fish, and the small fish consume aquatic plants. This is a little food web just to show where the blue dragon fits in with all the other animals.
I am different from most sea slugs, as you can see. Instead of swimming, I float upside down by using surface tension in the water. I am also carried various places by the wind and the ocean currents. I can live up to 1 year, and I usually do because my camouflage is so good. Here's a video of 2 of us interacting in the wild. Blue on top, camouflaging me from my predators above, while my belly is silver, camouflaging me from my predators below. Stay tuned for more unique features. Here, take a look at my camouflage.
The silvery belly of a Galicus Atlanticus, used to camouflage. From below, the silvery belly camouflages with the sky above, making it hard for predators to see the animal. But the Galicus Atlanticus is blue, so that predators above cannot see the animal when it's camouflaged with the blue surface of the ocean.
You may be wondering what's so special about a 3 centimeter long sea dragon, huh? Well, I may be small, but I feed on venomous cynophores and Portuguese man-o-war, which are poisonous to others, but not poisonous to the almighty sea dragon.
The definition of a cynophore, for those of you who don't know what it is, it's very similar to a Portuguese man-o-war. An image of one type of cynophore, just for those of you who don't know what it looks like. The Galicus Atlanticus eating a cynophore.
Portuguese man-o-war. I am a very poisonous organism. My tentacles are full of stinging nematodes.
Once I eat these poisonous organisms, I store their stinging nematosis in my tissue to later use to defend against predators. So humans, you better watch out because I have a deadly sting. Now, I think I'm in the mood for some Portuguese man-o-war. Check out the photo of me eating the Portuguese man-o-war on the next slide. This is me eating a Portuguese man-o-war. Yum!
Galicus Atlanticus are protected from their prey's venom by the hard disc inside their skin and a protective layer of mucus.
Well, now on to some personal stuff. I bet you're all wondering how a good-looking sea dragon, such as myself, gets all the males, right? Well, all sea dragons have both the male and female reproduction organs, making us hermaphrodites. Crazy, right? The front red circle is the male sex organ, and the back red circle indicates the female sex organ.
During mating, Galicus Atlanticus do not have any crazy kind of mating dance. Instead, they move slowly towards each other and rarely attack one another unless in captivity. After mating, both Galicus Atlanticus produce strings of eggs off their body. This is a drawing to show how the egg strings look on the Galicus Atlanticus body. They usually lay these eggs on driftwood or bodies of their prey.
This image shows the life cycle of the blue sea dragon from the egg stage to adulthood. We don't have many predators many times. We are killed due to getting caught in currents and washed up on shore.
As you can see in the early stages of the Galicus Atlanticus life cycle, they do have a shell that they usually shed after around 10 days of being born.
This video shows a bunch of us being washed up on the beach, eventually to be stranded.
Galicus Atlanticus don't have many predators, and their biggest threat is being washed up on shore, left to die. The first scientific study is published by the American Malacological Bulletin, called The Occurrence of Galicus Atlanticus in the Midriff Island regions of the Gulf of California, Mexico. The objective is to determine the identity of pelagic nudibranches collected in the Gulf of California by using both molecular and traditional taxonometry. New DNA sequences and GenBank data were used to confirm the specimens. The results of the scientific study show the increase of the range northward by approximately 150 kilometers in the Gulf of California.